Post nga daw.
For you is a fresh and 20-year-old stunner. Hailing all the way from the city of love and friendship, the motorcycle capital of the Philippines. Yes, from Caloocan City. This is Miss Paris Poblete, a proud Latin honor graduate with a bachelor's degree of computer science, major in computer programming at University of Caloocan City. But now, working as a subject matter expert, a trainer, and also an advocate for inclusion and diversity from one of the finest and top BPO companies in our country today, Microsoft Philippines. Yes, I may not be the most beautiful and the sexiest candidate for this evening, but I'm very proud and humble to share to everyone na noong Agosto 23, 2022, isa po sa ipagtagisan ng pabilisan ng pindutan, patalasan ng katalinuhan. Yes, I am here in Showtime, this Q&A, Queen of Multidex, Zayda Wheeler. Totoo po yan, i-search niyo pa sa YouTube. But this night, allow me to spend and carry the image of your one and only. Ang babaeng minsan na tumingin ko at ginilawang isipan ni Vice Ganda. Hindi na si Kuya Ayon. At ako din po ang babaeng may hawak ng nakakaloka katanungan sa Showtime Miss Q&A. My name is Jack. Thank you, Gonzaga. Miss Jackie Gonzaga po, sige, na lagi po natin pakakatandaan sa pagsuot ng pagbansa sa otan. Huwag na huwag po natin babanggitin at kalilimutan ang tunay na katotohanan kung bakit po natin sinusuot. Sapagkat ang dahilan ng pagsuot ng pagbansa sa otan ay dahil yan sa ating kasaysayan. Kaya judges, the costume that I'm wearing for tonight is our very own Filipiniana costume in collaboration of Bulaklakan Festival from Rapids of Bulacan. Once again, this is your candidate number 5, your last candidate for this evening saying, Happy Fiesta! At ating pong ipagdiwang ang tunay na gandang transkinay. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, please welcome our last candidates of Biscay Barangay 63 Beauty Pageant, candidate number 5. That was the candidates for points category rounds of wearing the fabulous national costume. Everybody, palakpakan naman sa ating mga candidates.
Ito yung app yun. Sila. Stop lang po. Power po babaw.
Please welcome our last candidate from Miss Mongolia. Para naman candidates. Okay, happy Baghdad people! Ayan na po ang ating representation ng ating first category rounds ng ating candidates of Miss K Barangay 63 Miss K Beauty Pageant for the national costume. O diba? Nag-i-effort ang candidates. Masaya ba lahat? Tingnan ko nga kung nandiyan pa kayo masaya lahat. Happy na! Fiesta na! Ano happy birthday? I love you, oh man. At syempre, binabati rin natin, nandito pa rin kasama natin ang beloved SK na napakagwapo. SK Aaron Diwa. Maganda yun, ha? SK, we beloved ang nakanyang father ko, napaka-generous at napakabait. Hindi pa ako nagsasalita, nag-aabot na, charat. Agawan na Diwa. Hello po, Agawan. Thank you. Ayan. Okay, mamaya, we have special announcement candidates. Dahil sobrang napapasaya nyo ang Barangay 63. Ang daming nagbibigay at humahabol na mga sponsors. Palakpakan naman! Ayan kami, congratulations to mga community sa panguna po ni Boss Jeff Cambao, Boss Daisy Bar, and Boss Novercia. Ito ka po siya may SK Human Council at Kapitan Fernando Baelio and Council. Okay, so mga hurado, yun po ang ating first category of the national costume. Maya-maya po, Madam People, habang naghahanda po ang ating mga candidates, eto na ang susunod nating category round, the sexy and hot and spicy, the swim seat competition. Dahil summer na, mga ilang buwan na lang summer na. Nag-try ako dati, Madam Paula, mag-swimsuit.